Okay. So it definitely looks like there's something in there. So let's see if we can grab that and pull it out. It's chock-a-block, Bruce. It's chock-a-block. All right, guys, we're going in to look at a food court in the big box store. So let's go take a look what's going on. Okay. We are flooding. So we're hoping that we open this up and everything goes down. That's the hope. I'm just hoping that it's not a plug going out, because it was here before last year. Could have even been this year, I don't remember. And I wasn't able to clear it because going out and I couldn't find the outlet. So let's see. Okay, perfect. But so Bruce, look what I found in the grease trap. Bruce, it's chock-a-block. It's chock-a-block, Bruce. All right. So I know that clean out there comes into here, and so I'll show you guys. So it looks like it is plugged going out. So I guess we'll try this. And I gotta put a bend on it to almost completely loop it up. Let's actually move you guys. It actually is going down slowly, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna try a different head. Try the cloud trapper. It's basically, I'm just trying to get it into the drain, because I definitely remember getting the cable digging into the ground the last time I was here. Okay, bear with me. I'm gonna put you guys like that for now. Okay, so I think I got it out. So I think what I'm gonna do is alright, so watch this. So now I'm gonna snake from here, going out. You guys can actually see. All right, you guys ready? Okay. So it definitely looks like there's something in there. So let's see if we can grab that and pull it out. It's chock-a-block, Bruce. It's chock-a-block. It's a wheel. We found a bloody wheel. How did that happen? Okay, that's a good find. That is a good find. Bruce. I wonder if there's something else in there. I'm going down. Guys. Holy cow, guys. We got a dish rag. You hear that? Unbelievable. Look, plastic. Bruce, this one's got to go viral, buddy. We got to make this one go viral. A wheel and a rag. That's unbelievable. Look at that. Can you imagine if I didn't press record? Ooh. Guys, that is awesome. That's awesome, guys. I've never pulled a wheel out. Like how far, like any drain that it goes down should be trapped. This should have a basket in it. Like I'm wondering if they had this open, this one there, if they had that opened up. And look, we still got that one in there so that it keeps running. I've never had to snake two drains like that and have something like that come out of a drain. I gotta get this one. Bruce, I'm mentioning you in this one. This is right up your alley. Grease trap, stuff in the drain, chock-a-block. Guys, if you guys like this video, I'm all over the place. I can't hold the camera. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know. Have you ever seen anybody pull a wheel out of a grease trap? Until next time, guys, this has been Jay That Drain Guy. You got this drain. What's the saying? I made a new saying. I can't remember it. Drains cleared at rocket speed, right? Rocket's my dog. That picture right here is my dog. That's Rocket. That's my new logo. That's my new motto. Drains cleared at rocket speed. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time. Check out Jay That Drain Guy. Check out Bruce from Drain Cleaning Australia. I'm gonna tag him down below. And until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Try. I'm turning it back on because it looks like there might be something else down there. Oh, it's grease. It's just grease, guys. Coming out of a grease trap. Look at it. Look at the chunks of grease. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, look. I don't know what that is. But it's plastic. I'm gonna let this keep running while I wrap up. So we're gonna sit you guys back down. You guys can watch Grease Trap. The wonderful world of Grease Trap.